Hi guys, this is RONG tutorial van. Today I'll be showing you on a very important tutorial on how you can make multiple payments on the Nigeria website concerning your passport or your visa. Like we all know, if you have a MasterCard or a Visa card and you intend to renew your traveling passport, your Nigerian traveling passport, you can only pay for yourself because your own name is on your passport and the same name on your Visa card or your MasterCard. The system does not allow you to use your MasterCard or Visa card to pay for a second person, no matter how close. So, but there is a way out, because a lot of people have really gone through stress trying to pay for their document. What you do is you follow me to this website, Innovate One service. Here it is, Innovate One service. So when you get this when you enter this name, you're going to come to this page, and when you come here, you have to log in first before you can get before you can take you to where you can select what to do. So first, what we are going to do is this. Like some people who have never used their email or computer to fill the Nigeria passport form online, your login will be different. Like myself, I have done it, so my email is stored in the system. So for instance, you're using Yahoo or you're using Gmail and you are doing this by yourself for the first time. So what you're going to do is, for instance, I click on my Gmail. So now this is my mail. Because I have already registered with the system, when I click, it will open once. Now, but if I have no account with the website or with the company, it will show me a page where I can fill my name, my address, my email. So whatever it requires, just put it on and you continue. It will automatically log in. And please let it be the same name on your MasterCard and your date of your right email and your address. So whatever appears on your MasterCard that is required here on the platform that will open, you have to make sure everything is correct. So while you come to this place, secondly, what I want to, you have to get a copy of your Nigerian passport ready, scan a copy, and also you have to get your MasterCard statement ready. And the two file, each one has the maximum size of each copy is 400 kilobyte. If it exceeds 400 kilobytes, they won't accept it. So you have to find a way. You go to internet and find a way to minimize the size, that is the weight of the file, to make sure it fits 400 kilobytes below, maximum 400 kilobytes. So what we're going to do now is, you come here, you click here, and here it shows register your credit card, view approved credit cards. So we are going to click on register credit card. And while you're doing this, don't be afraid. It's a secure website. They are not going to leak out your information. So, and here you can read the guideline. Here is important, and also if your MasterCard or your Visa card pay slips, or your payslip, if your credit card number appears on it, what they just need is your address and your name, to make sure your address and your name correspond with the one on your passport. They just want your identification to be clear. So what they need is your name. So if your number, like my credit card number did not appear on my payslip, but if yours do appear, you have to find a way to edit the payslip to make sure you clean the first numbers, or the middle to the last number. So which anyone you can clean, just clean it and leave only 4 digits. So, and also you have to, yeah, I already told you your passport, and that's all. So after reading here, you have to continue. So it will take you to this page. Here we are. Like I said, this is just a tutorial, and I have already done mine and it was successful. First, don't paste anything, type everything that is required. If you paste anything, it will now it will bring you back. So type everything, type your first name and type your last name, which is your surname. Your first name, your real name, your given name, and your last name, your surname. Put in your address. Type everything yourself and make sure you leave no space. So you can put up a full stop, but don't leave the space. For instance, any other. So you come to your town, type it wherever you stay living all over the world. Type your town, state, doesn't matter. Then put your zip code, your post code, and choose your country here. Any country where you are in the world, choose your country, and put in the same email you used to register the website. After that, you put your phone number. So when that is done, you come down here. You're using MasterCard or Visa card, so select any of these, whichever you're using, and then you put your MasterCard number here. Put a card holder, which is your real name that was stated here. Don't make a mistake, don't give a space. And then you come here, put your expiry date of your card, of your MasterCard, and then here it says kindly prove valid photo identity. For example, license, PAN card, passport. Like mine, I used my passport. So please upload. These are the formats that are accepted on the website. So file size up to 400 kilobytes. If you exceed 400 kilobytes, they won't accept it. So find a way. If your file, if you don't know how big your file is, you can come down here or just go to the file. For instance, these are my file. This is my passport that I used on it, so I converted it to PDF, or this is the photo one, any of the format. So just click on it, right click on it, then you go to your properties. Now you see the information. Here is the size on disk, 1.14 megabytes. So this one is very large, they won't accept this. So what I did was that I converted it to PDF, and then after converting it, I went to online to reduce the size of it. So after reducing the size of it, it became 380 kilobytes, 379 kilobytes. So they accepted this one. So that is it. And then you put your passport, your driver's license, whatever card that shows your real name and identity, date of birth, everything. So you put it in here, and here is your bank statement, your credit card statement. You go online to print it, or if they send it to you at home, you scan it in whatever way. Just do it and make sure it's up to 400 kilobytes. So once you upload all these two documents, you come here, you click yes. The question is, do you want to do multiple transactions? You click yes. Once you click yes, it will open this place here. Reasons. So they ask you the reason why you want to do multiple payments. For like mine, I wrote because I want to be able to pay for my family, my children, and my entire family. So you can write anything that you want, the reason why you want to do multiple payments. So they ask for proof, but here I didn't upload anything because I don't even know what to upload here. I don't know the proof that they are asking for. But if I get a new information about this, I will let you know. So while all these are done, you click on submit. When you submit, if there is anything you didn't do well, it will still bring you back here. So you have to correct it, and they're going to mark it with red, and you're going to correct it. Make sure every information is correct. So once it's correct, you submit it. They will notify you that thank you for registering with the website. So they will automatically send you an email that bear all your information which you provided here. So with that email, they will tell you, they will also write on it that it will take 2 days for them to verify and give you feedback, either yes or no. So what you do, you wait for it till the next 2 days. It might not be up to them, but you just wait. So when they are done with their verification, they'll send you back email that they have approved for you to make a multiple payment. So you can make for your friends, your family, anybody, anytime, any day, anywhere, without stress going to the embassy to pay extra money for them to help you make the payment. So that is it. And if there's any thing you don't understand, or you're having a stress trying to register your MasterCard or your Visa card, just drop your comment on the below, and I will try as much as possible to reply you so that we can keep it moving. Thank you very much. Once again, this RNG tutorial. God bless you. You're welcome.